Today, I'm going to teach you how to use reminders in ClickUp. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of important tasks and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. First, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main ClickUp dashboard where all your workspaces and projects are organized on your panel. You'll see an option labeled Spaces. Click on it to view all the spaces you have access to. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially containers for your projects, so you'll want to select the specific space where your task is located. Click on that space to open it up and view all the lists and tasks within it. Now browse through your tasks and select the one you want to set a reminder for. This could be anything from a deadline you need to meet to a follow-up action you don't want to forget. Once you've found the task, look to the right side of it and you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a menu with additional options for managing that task. From the menu that appears, click on the option that says Remind Me in Box. This is where you'll configure your reminder settings. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to customize the reminder to fit your needs. In this dialog box, you'll first need to input a reminder name. This should be something clear and descriptive, so you'll know exactly what the reminder is for when it pops up later. Take a moment to think about what will help you remember the context of this task. Next, adjust the time settings for when you want to be reminded. You can choose a specific date and time that aligns with when you need to take action on this task. ClickUp offers flexible scheduling options, so you can set it for later today, tomorrow, or even weeks in advance, depending on your workflow. Once you've set everything up and you're satisfied with the details, confirm the reminder. The system will save it automatically, and you'll be able to see all your active reminders in your inbox. To check your reminder, navigate to the top left of your panel and click on Inbox. This is your central hub for all notifications and reminders in ClickUp. Here, you'll be able to see your reminder listed either under Primary or Later, depending on when you scheduled it to appear. This organization helps you prioritize what needs your immediate attention versus what can wait, and that's it. You've successfully set up a reminder in ClickUp that will help you stay on top of your tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.